Girl, what is wrong with you?
Brandon cheated on me.
Oh my god. Okay, so you know there's a party down at the pub, right?
Yeah.
I think you should go. He gonna be there too.
I can't go like this. My hair is not done. I don't have nothing to wear.
Got something for you.
What's this?
That's what you're wearing tonight.
Oh wow. Girl. She is cute. Oh my gosh, she come pre-plucked. What? I could just put this on and go. I don't need no glue, no nothing?
Yes, ma'am.
Girl, I'm going to that party.
Alright.
Yes, I am going to that party to make my ex mad, and I am using this amazing, beautiful wig by Hairvivi. It comes pre-plucked, okay? Bleached knots, no ball cap needed, and adjustable straps. And you can wear it glueless, or you can go ahead and put some little glue on the side to tack that baby down. But for the most part, you can wear this glueless or with glue. So you guys are going to watch me install this wig. So of course the first step was putting the wig on and adjusting the straps to our head, and the second step is going to be cut off the lace. Okay, so now we're going to make some realistic hairs, because you know I do not call it baby hairs. We're going to make some realistic hairs to give the wig a more realistic look. Okay, next I'm going to take some mousse to flatten down the top and also lay down the flurries. If there's any additional flurries, I most likely would take my scissors and go across my hair and cut them off. Let me just say that this hair is amazing. This is an Indian straight. And I'm just going to go over it with my flat irons. And yeah, I'm pretty much done with this hair. I'm about to go out tonight. And trust me, my ex is going to be so mad. Girl, this hair is everything, okay? I'm about to go to this club and show out. Okay.